Story of Saints. December 13th is the feast day of Saint Odilia of Alsace. Odilia was born around the year 660 in France to a noble family. She was born blind, and her father was so mad at her condition that he condemned her to death. However, her mother convinced him to leave her with the local nuns, who took her in and raised her. At the age of 12, as Odilia prepared to be baptized, Saint Erhard of Regensburg, then Bishop of Bavaria, came up to her and said, "Now you will see me in the kingdom of heaven." At once, she regained her sight, and her parents welcomed her back into the family. Hearing of her restored sight, her brother wanted her back to betroth her to a rich friend. Her father was so angry at the brother for trying to take advantage of his now able daughter that he beat the brother to death. Odilia managed to calm her father and brought her brother back to life. Her father then became very protective of his daughter with miraculous abilities, and he forbid her from going back to the convent with the nuns. One day, her father noticed Odilia hiding a bowl of food to give to the poor, and he realized how badly he had been treating his daughter, to the point that she had to hide good deeds from him. Her father then had a change of heart and used his family wealth to build for his daughter a convent, a monastery, and a large church. Odilia continued living a prayerful life in the convent, building a hospital, and went on to become an abbess until she passed away at the age of 60. After her death, Odilia came back to life at the insistence of her sister's prayers, but she told them of the wonders of the afterlife and took the Eucharist one last time. As we celebrate the feast day of Saint Odilia, let us remember what Jesus said in John chapter 9 verses 2-3. His disciples asked him, "Rabbi, who sinned, this man or his parents, that he was born blind?" Jesus answered, "Neither he nor his parents sinned. It is so that the works of God might be made visible through him." When we face great obstacles in life, sometimes it is easier to just give up and fall into depression. But remember what we talked about yesterday in regards to the 8 evil tendencies. Dejection is one of the evil tendencies. We must not be discouraged when faced with insurmountable obstacles. Remember that nothing is impossible with the grace of God, and may our own troubles be an opportunity for God's grace to be made known within us.